Hello and welcome to the Kunar Cooks. Let's make sweet potato and tomato chutney. Usually for our YouTube channel, Mom is the one who cooks and I am the one who is behind the camera shooting the video and editing and posting them. But this time, since I am away from home, Mom did the shooting part all by herself while making this so unique and amazing recipe. I hope you enjoy watching it and let me know in the comments below whether you liked this video and if you tried this recipe or not. And if you do enjoy watching our videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Kunar Cooks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.